meaning into an experience. So you've got a whole week of work and you do a whole lot of stuff. And then at the end of that week of work, you've got to kind of lift it all into a different space. That's the goal of Shabbos. Take whatever happened during the course of the week and lift it to become holy and connected to Hashem. That's the goal of Shabbos. So in other words, the goal of Shabbos is to bring Kedusha into daily life. That's what Rashi is alluding to over here. Shemitah, even though Shemitah presents just as restrictions, it is compared to and therefore similar to Shabbos. The goal of Shemitah is to bring Kedusha, holiness, into regular life. Actually, Shemitah will teach us how to bring Kedusha into regular life in an even more powerful way than Shabbos does. Because Shabbos, you go into your own space. Shabbos talks to how you live away from the world. Shemitah v'shavsa ha'aretz. You bring Shabbos into the earth. You actually affect and impact the physical world. Not only that, we already saw that Shemitah is something that is related to the animals. V'yisram toichal chayas hasadeh. And we learn from this, by the way, that as long as the animals are still eating in the fields, you're allowed to help yourself to things that have grown in the fields. In other words, somehow Shemitah is associated with animals as well, which gives us a very powerful lesson. To have a Shabbos of holiness is a big challenge, but it's not the full experience of Judaism. Because Shabbos is a so-called holy environment. To be holy in a holy environment, to be holy when it's Shul, to be holy when it's Shabbos, to be holy when it's Yom Tov, is doable. Shemitah comes along to teach us, just like Shabbos Bereshis, just like you have this holiness that is within the framework of a Shabbos, there's the opportunity to bring that kind of holiness in the framework of the world itself. And that's what Judaism is all about. Touch the world. Make the earth itself feel Shabbos. Make the animals of the field feel Shabbos. That's the goal of being Jewish. Not just to be holy when it's holy times or holy places, but to be holy in all times and all places, and in such a way that you elevate everything in the world to feel and experience holiness.